Don't waste time. Everybody tells me I don't have time, but everybody has time. Just waste it. We have brothers, we say, hey, we're gonna go give dawah, let's go. It's like, brother, I ain't got time, man. He's like, hey, did you watch that soccer game the other day? Man, I watched the whole thing, it was off the hook. Some people waste so much time with Hollywood, and Allah, Bollywood's annoying. Oh my God, I'm into anime. You're 40 years old. You're watching kids' cartoons. Oh no, it's anime. It's not kids. Yeah, it's a kids' cartoon. All right, calm down. But you don't have time to memorize Quran. You don't have time to go to a dars for these parents that are like, I don't want my son to be too religious, you know? I don't know what that means. You don't want your son to have a very high Jannah. You just want him to kind of like barely make it. Like, you know, like does the same usul apply about money? I have some breaking news exclusive to your podcast, inshallah, today. Are launching, inshallah, what's called the GDC, the Global Dawah Council, to bring the du'at together under the supervision of ulama. People always ask me, how are you so good in debates? I'm not good at debate. We depend on Allah. I'll tell you the secret to winning debate. Be on the haqq. That's how you win debates. Be on the truth.